All right, so you just heard that perfect song on the radio, you Shazammed it, and here's how to get that song downloaded to your computer. So what's really nice about this is Shazam is great for finding that track that maybe you hear in a TV show or on the radio or in the mall or wherever, you know what I mean? And so you get that Shazam, and then how do you kind of get that into your flow, right? So there's two things that you want to do when you log into your Shazam. Now, I'm logged in with my iCloud account. That's how I've connected with Shazam. And you can see, I've got a whole bunch of Shazams here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to download the CSV. Okay. This will download all the tracks so you can have them all listed out, and that'll make your life easier. But the second thing that you want to do is you want to go to the track that you want. And then what you want to do is you want to share and then copy the link. Okay. Now, for me, I like using my Spotify account, and this actually connects to the Spotify account. So if I actually do a search and just put in that URL, it'll find the song, right? So it's got it right there. I can heart it. Okay. And one of the things I can do is I can add it to one of my playlists, right? So this is great if you want to use Shazam to discover songs and kind of keep the Discover Weekly in Spotify fresh by bringing new content into it. Because one of the things that I found is with the AI algorithm, it can kind of narrow you into, a certain type of music. Okay. So anyhow, but I want to show you how you can actually download this track as an MP3. Okay. So once you've selected it here, you click on the three dots here in your Spotify web app, or you can go to open.spotify.com, and then you're going to share and then copy the song link. Okay. So hopefully you saw that. You can do that for any song. Okay. Share, copy the song link. So what I do is I use a program called mare, and it converts the tracks. So right here, you can see that it's already got that track, right? So I'll show you with another one. This is a pretty cool song. Okay, so I'm going to go to share and copy link. Okay. And then I'm going to search for it in Spotify. Okay, so here it is, everything, the remixes, here's the whole album, right? So I can pick which remix that I want, right? And you can see which one's the most popular, but maybe I want this flute one. What I'll do is I can add it to a playlist, but I can also copy the song link from here, and then it's going to have actually added it already to this. Okay. So this is really cool. Once I've got my list that I want to do, I just click convert, and it will convert all of these. And you can see it is pretty slow. That's one of the downsides of the Mare music converter. I'm only at like 2 or 3% right now, but it'll go through the list and download all of them. Most importantly, with the correct metadata, right? So you got the image, which I think is important if you're building a music collection and things like that. One other thing to note is you do need to be logged into your Spotify account, either on the open.spotify.com on just online, or with the app on your computer. And the reason for that is because it's actually like playing the song. And that's why it's safe, because it's like loading the stream, just normal pace on my account. So it's going to register as a play on my account. What's good about that is there's no way to see that one account is downloading all these songs or has significantly higher usage. So that's why this works and why it keeps it safe. Okay. So you see we're at 18%. It does take a while. I'll show you what that looks like. But first I wanted to show you the settings here. The software is well updated. I do really recommend it. You can change the output folder. You can change the conversion. So you can select the bit rate. And this is a great thing about DRMare. If you care about music, you can select a specific bit rate. You can actually download them in FLAC or WAVE if you want to. For me, I'm looking for more of a usable format. Maybe I could throw it on my phone and then, CarPlay that in the car or something like that. But this way you don't need to have like Spotify Premium, because you can download and customize those tracks yourself. Okay. And one other thing I want to show you, here it's downloading, and that's why it doesn't have the correct metadata yet, because it's still in the middle of downloading. And this one I did before, just doing a quick demonstration, and you can see that it's got the correct metadata. It's on the DRMare Spotify music converter, and it's already been converted. And if I get the info on this track, it will have everything here. So it's got title, the author, the length, album that it's from. You can see the image, all that kind of stuff, and what format it's in. And for a short song like this, 2.5 minutes, 4.8 megabytes, I could have downloaded that in FLAC if I wanted to. And you can see this one is still only half downloaded. So it does take a while. That's a drawback. But when it does come in here, it will have all the correct metadata. And so that makes any playlist that I build, it's going to be searchable, it's going to work, and I've got the right track. So that's one way that you can get those Shazams and have it so you can actually listen to them, because I find it frustrating when you just go to Shazam and they give you 30 seconds of the song. It's not enough to really enjoy. So hopefully this is helpful to you. And if this video was helpful, let people know in the comments that this actually works for you. It is, for me, it's worth the paying for this software because it is well updated. But, just let me know that it's working for you, because I know some people are pretty skeptical. Also, do avoid pirated software. That's how you can get into a lot of trouble and you can get a lot of stuff hacked. Very, very easy to do that nowadays. So please avoid that kind of stuff if at all possible. For me, this has worked really well. I just wanted to share that. And if it works for you, let me know in the comments. All right, that's all I got for this video. We will see you in the next video.